Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your phone to the Swift Dzire's Bluetooth system is incredibly easy and offers huge benefits for your drive. You can make hands-free calls, stream your favorite music, and listen to podcasts, all while staying focused on the road. This guide will walk you through the simple steps, ensuring you get set up quickly and safely. Prepare for a seamless connection and a much more convenient driving experience every day. Before you begin, a little preparation helps ensure a smooth connection process. First, make sure your Swift Dzire's ignition is on, either in accessory mode or fully running. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone. This is crucial for the car to detect it. Finally, it's a good idea to delete any old, unused Bluetooth connections from your phone settings to prevent conflicts. With your phone ready, let's navigate the car's system. On your Swift Dzire's infotainment screen, locate and tap the Settings or Phone icon. From there, you will find and select the Bluetooth option, which opens up the connection management screen. Now, simply choose Add Device or Pair New Device to instruct your car to start looking for your phone. Now for the exciting part, pairing your devices. On your phone, you should now see Suzuki Dzire or a similar name appear in your list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on it. Both your car's screen and your phone will display a matching pairing code. Confirm this code to proceed. Once verified, accept any final connection prompts on your phone, and you are all set. Occasionally, you might encounter minor connection hiccups. If your device doesn't connect, simply restart your phone and the car's infotainment system, then try again. Also, ensure no other devices are already connected to your Swift Dzire's Bluetooth, as some systems only allow one active connection. Always perform pairing when your vehicle is stationary and in a safe location. Now, enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.